Welcome to the enigmatic world of forest canopies, where life thrives high above the forest floor. In this video, we will take a bird's eye view of these incredible ecosystems and explore their hidden wonders. The forest canopy is a bustling hub of biodiversity, home to a myriad of plant and animal species. From towering trees to delicate ferns, each organism plays a vital role in the canopy ecosystem. Within the canopy, distinct layers emerge, each with its own unique inhabitants and characteristics. From the emergent layer reaching for the sky to the understory teeming with life, the canopy is a vertical world waiting to be explored. Scientists have long been fascinated by the mysteries of the canopy, using innovative research techniques to uncover its secrets. From canopy walkways to drones, researchers have gained new insights into this hidden realm. Birds soar through the canopy, insects buzz among the leaves, and mammals navigate the treetops with ease. The canopy is a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life, each species playing a vital role in its delicate balance. As human activities threaten forest canopies around the world, conservation efforts have become increasingly important. Protecting these vital ecosystems is crucial for maintaining biodiversity, regulating climate, and preserving the beauty of our planet. By raising awareness and taking action, we can ensure the future of forest canopies for generations to come. Venturing into the canopy is not for the faint of heart. From daring researchers to intrepid explorers, those who have braved the heights have uncovered new species, made groundbreaking discoveries, and shared the wonder of this hidden world with the world. As we conclude our journey through the enigmatic world of forest canopies, remember to look up and appreciate the beauty and complexity of these incredible ecosystems. Join us in our mission to protect and preserve the canopy for the benefit of all life on Earth. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about forest canopies, consider subscribing to our channel for future updates and share this video with your friends who share your love for nature. Together, we can make a difference in conserving these vital ecosystems. Thank you for watching.
you.